So, one of the absolute fun things about being in a desert climate in the monsoon season is seeing new little baby cactus and all of the gorgeous blooms that happen right after some good solid rain. And then all of the buds that start to form. So I'm just going to show you some images, and also right now I am going to pet a cactus. So you see this guy, right? Like how spiky? Ooh, he's so spiky. I know I'm right up on top of it here, but there's a reason for that. Because these baby leaves, right? That's a big one. But look. Look how cute they are. They're so cute. And then, gosh, it is so hard when it's so glary to show you this because the sun's out, but the light's good and I don't want to get in the shadow. But you can see those little leaves in the middle. I'm not dipping my hand in there, mind you, okay? We got nice exposure right here. You see those soft, that's what the I'm just going to simply call them prickers right now because my brain doesn't want to think of anything else. Anyway, when they're like, oh gosh, when they're like this, I have to make sure to watch. You can actually just go the direction because you don't want to hurt it. I'm just going gentle. But you can pet a cactus and say, hello. Hello, cactus. You are so cute when you are little. And you are so deadly when you get big. But I will take advantage of this moment and say hello. Hello, cactus. As I walk along, I carefully watch my step to be sure I'm not stepping on a new desert baby, right? I don't want to trample on a new grower in habitat that struggles already. Look at the creosote in bloom. I can't see it because there's so much glare, but I hope you can. It's so super pretty. We do have some. We had nice rain already this morning, right? And I'm headed that way because I want to see those mesquite blooms. So these are a pea of some kind, I think. I hope I can... Okay, I see it. Okay, good. Am I focusing on it? I hope so. These are little peas. At least I think they're in the pea family. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. There's a big one, right? Oh, and a flutterby. Hello. I think it's a flutterby. Its wings were edged, going too fast. I don't know, maybe the camera caught it. Maybe I got lucky. All right, let's go check out this mesquite. You guys, I am doing this blind because I am looking down. Da-da-da-da. So I hope I'm actually getting a shot. All right, now I think I can look up. Oh, this is a lot. It's lot 113. Wow, that's wild. Huh. I want it. I want it just so I can keep it open. Okay. because I want it just for this. Look, it's like it's the most beautiful little garden. Okay. It's like the perfect desert garden. Hi, baby. Look at you in shadow with dappled sunlight. Oh, you are so beautiful to me. Can you see? Oh, I love my musical echolale sometimes. It makes me happy. Bum, bum, bum. That, I believe, is Mormon tea, a companion plant, right? How cool. I know the mesquite is a super invasive. It's here. I don't know what we can do about that, except try to contain it as much as possible. But it sure does make a pretty bloom. There's a big ass bumble. Look at him go. Ooh. I hope I'm catching him. I told you guys I'm flying blind here. There's Mormon tea with a cactus and a creosote. Look at them. They just grow perfect together. And then there's somebody else around there that I'm not sure about. I don't know, but somebody has a little white flower coming, if anybody knows. Hey, maybe the crime doesn't pay botany guy. Ooh, somebody want to tag him? What is this? Vassisvas? Vassisvas? Oh, is that little fresh growth? That little green that I see in there? Oh God, flying blind like this really sucks. Guys, sorry. It's so super hard because it's so bright out, but... and I struggle with glare. So I gotta have my sunglasses on right now. Darn it, should have put my hat on. Anyway, look at this arroyo right here. An arroyo runs through it. A new movie. Okay. Oh, here's one that's like super, super green. Okay. I don't think that white thing was a flower, by the way, guys. I think that was something else. But look at this pretty little baby. I don't know. Am I too close? Probably. I really can't tell. But crime doesn't pay, botany. Crime pays, botany doesn't. That's what his channel is. Yeah. And he says, okay, go fuck yourself, bye. At the end of his videos. Really, really super fast. He's got a cool Brooklyn accent. Anyway. And I love the way he talks about plants. It makes my brain happy. I look up and what's in front of me, but just like a gorgeous former bloom right on the yucca. I love those stalks. They are so gorgeous. They provide so much structure in the desert. It's beautiful. And then look, there's a big one down in the arroyo. And because the water, look how lush it is after a rain. Yummy, yummy. What a treat. Yeah. So look how lush this all is. Like, I think these are all mesquite. Wow. Yeah, I think it is. It's better than, I think the salt cedar, right? Better than salt cedar. Salt cedar is super invasive around here and really not good when it comes in. Hey, baby, look at you. Aren't you gorgeous? Let's see if I can get some of these new growths up close. Oh, just look how cool that is. Oh, what a treat to see all of this new growth, right? Like, this is a real moment to be having. And I think it kind of has the same thing where, like, yeah, the big sharp tines are soft when they first grow. And then look at this little teeny tiny baby creosote. Baby creosote. Well, okay, so creosote. What is creosote? Creosote's actually like an aspen, right? So it's usually one of many that are part of one, right? And that's one of the reasons they grow so symmetrically. So when you see one that's a baby like this, I look around for the mama plant, and if it seems to be too far away, then it's possible that it could be by seed, because as you saw, and I'm going to pull an image that I took earlier. See those little blue berries? I believe those are seeds. So, yeah, it can either be seeded. I mean, I think they're fruits so that they get eaten, right? And the birds, desert plants have to have multiple ways of moving around. It's just how they roll. Yeah. They got a hard life out here, but look how hardy that little one is right after a rain. Hi, babes. You're the cutest. And I didn't even know this beauty was here. Look at this gorgeous juniper. What the heck, man? Again, going a little blind because, yeah, there we go, Marion. Okay. I have to look down. Sorry, guys. But I really kind of want to say hello to this juniper. Look how beautiful. Hi. Look how old and hardy and healthy. Right in the arroyo path where it gets plenty of moisture to do its thing. Wow. And look at all this gorgeous, yummy goodness. Oh. Some hearty, healthy Mormon tea. And this is heaven. What the heck? How did I not realize this was right in front of me? Oh, look at that one. You know, it's just been so hot that I haven't wanted to walk around. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, let me see if I can get it from the other side. Oh, but before I go, let's check out this juniper, shall we? Sorry, guys. All right, look at this trunk. So I believe this is a cedar juniper. And look how old she is. Wow. Oh, she hasn't had to it doesn't look like she's had to take away too much of her own life in order to keep herself going either. Like, she gets good water in this arroyo. Hi, beautiful. Oh, just look how healthy and gorgeous she is. This is a lovely juniper cedar. Hi, baby. I'm not going to touch you right now because my hands are super sensitive today and I know you'll give me a rash. Oh, Sometimes I'm willing to tolerate the rash just so I can touch it. Oh, I wish my skin wasn't so sensitive sometimes. Hi, baby, but I'm going to be right next to you and I'm going to breathe on you. And I'm going to breathe you in. And I'll breathe on you again. Why not share a little love? I don't know if this is filming or not. It keeps flashing devices too hot. Dang. But this is so super pretty. I want a picture with her. Oh. I'll pull this out so I can have a picture with her. She's so pretty. These are the celebrities I like to photograph myself with. Oh, and look how nicely my pedal pop goes with her. Well, hello. Hi, Miss Janet. Wow, if it wasn't so hot. Look how gorgeous. All right, so maybe this fall, this is a place to sit and paint, right? If I can get myself something to help me with the sun glare, you know? Look how pretty this yucca is. Oh, wait, is that another? I think it is. Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. Wow. It's amazing how many kinds of yucca there are. Oh, guys, I'm trying so hard to, like, film this for you blind, and I know it's going to be a little blurry. Oh, she's so pretty. But look at that cactus. And that juniper behind it. Yeah, this is going to be a good fall place to sit. So I was just reaching up, you know, and making a connection with her on one of her more dead branches, because then I can't get a rash. She's not oozing sap from there. And I said, I wish I could buy this lot so I could keep you. Right? Like, that was a very inspired thought, I think. Maybe. Who knows? The lot number is 113, so my guess is people just avoid it. Right? I'm not superstitious. My best friend was born on the Friday the 13th, so I see it as a blessed day, not, you know, anyway. Dang, this hot device thing. I hope I can catch this video. Look at the bird's nest in there. What? I love that. What a sheltered home for the little babies. Let me see if I can get around front and see something inside. So, they're empty. And it turns out that if you're looking for a safe, secure home to raise your children in, this cactus is available. For the smallest or medium-sized small birds. Well, thank you so much for joining me today, everyone. I really enjoyed wandering through this little lot of beautiful, beautiful natives in a neighborhood that I've been hanging out in. And it's just the coolest thing. And wow, you know, I'm super excited. Maybe, this might be a future painting spot. We'll see. Ah, yummy. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.